I cannot. I wanted her to imitate.
Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead.
Turn the radio on, it's Friday night and I want to that.
I am a singer.
Okay, in this game, who will take first hanky? That person will be winner. And I just take the name of animal in both team. Who will take first hanky? That person will be winner, and that person will ask the question to another. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Anything else? Truth and dare. And the rule is that you have to speak about if there is a truth, so you have to speak at least 50 words. Otherwise, you are loser. I will give you 2 times opportunity. First, we are playing another again. We will play, but okay. And if there is a dare, any kind of dare, that you have to perform something related to English. Any acting of my acting also you can do. Anything else, but in English. Dialogue should be in English. Understood? Understood, everyone? Any question? Okay. So I am putting here. So, are you ready, everyone? Ready? So first animal name which I am going to take, and you know very well about your animal names? You know? Yes, lady? Okay. So now, so I just would like to take the name, first name which I am going to take is Tiger. Oh my God. Tiger. She is very fast. Seriously, she is very fast. That look.
Woman, sorry.
No. Firstly, ask to him that.
Sorry. Truth and dare.
Truth.
Truth.
Okay.
I'm giving you a topic. What about thinking for women?
Okay. What do you think about the women's? Okay, that we speak about that.
I think women are the integral part of our society, and they are playing a very important role in the upbringing of children's in all forms, like boys and girls also, both. And women are also the best motivators for their children's husband and anyone in their surrounding. So I'll think a woman is the most beautiful or most important creature on the earth, whichever is produced by God, and they are very soft, innocent, and intelligent.
In this session,
also.
only dares. Okay. We have to perform only dares. So I don't know who is an okay. So I just I'm going now. You have to perform dare. Okay. So please. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, please sit proper. Don't bend yourself. Don't. Okay. So I just want to take first name elephant. Oh, no, die. See, okay, see, okay, no, see, what? Okay, so first truth and dare is that. Okay, what do you want to say her?
She is new here. I cannot. I wanted her to imitate you, but pick up someone and tell them a story of a movie, and they have to tell the name.
Oh my God, okay. You can do one thing is that you can take the name of anyone, only tell the story of the movie, and they will guess the name of the movie. Exactly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sit down. Take it. Okay.
Can you please?
Okay. Okay, stand up. Okay, okay. So tell the story. Okay. In English only.
Okay. There is one movie. A mother has two sons. One name has Karan.
Okay. So,
Can you guess the movie name?
The name Karan Arjun.
Very clever, she. Very clever. This is very cleverness. Okay. So next. Okay, next. Next name is cat. Oh my god. So now she is okay. She is winner. Okay. So dare. What kind of dare you want to give? Don't speak in Hindi. क्या बोलूं मैं? Okay. Give him.
Any song is dance.
Dance without song.
And song and
No, you can sing a song and dance.
Okay.
But in English.
But a song, no?
No, we will not play any song that you have to sing in English song. You have to make English song and then dance. That rule is that. Loser. Okay, have a seat. So clapping for him, appreciate him.
Okay.
Very good. Start.
I found a love
Very good. Clapping for him.
for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead.
Very good. Clapping.
I found a woman, beautiful and sweet.
Very good.
I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. Feelings were kissed when we fell in love. Not involved it was. I will give you my time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, and be your man. I will give you my time.
Very good. Clapping. Very good. He performed very well. Nice. Okay. So next, can you give me a mic? That.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Brilliant. You can do much better more. Okay. So next name, I just want to take. Okay. I think so that I took the name elephant completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next name, what completed?
Cat.
Cat complete. 2 names completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you ready, everyone? Look at that. They are ready for smashing. Okay. So the next name is cat. Cat done?
Yes, sorry.
Cat done. Okay. You can remove cat and the elephant remove. Okay, that the person can remove. Beta, by hand you can remove. Cat and elephant. Okay. So next name is tiger. Oh my god. In your team, who is tiger? Tiger?
You are tiger.
Look at the tiger and look at the tiger. Tiger to cat.
No, I am not cat.
No, I'm asking by heights. Okay. So, buddy, that okay. What do you want to give?
What I'm giving, I'm thinking
Yeah, you.
dancing only.
Oh, dancing. That it is. This is.
I don't know, lady.
But task is task. Now you have to perform that. She said, okay, without song you have to dance. Your brother is yo. In English, that English you have to speak in English. Your brother is yo.
My brother is yo and
Yeah, think. You can think lines you can make in English, then speak in English. Okay. Okay, start. Clapping for him. Appreciate. Very.
my brother yo and I forgot sir.
I forgot, sir. My brother is yo. I forgot, sir. Very good. This is a very. But you are doing same thing. You can dance. You can harippa. No.
I have
Without.
made space for you. You can dance it.
No, everyone enjoy.
We want enjoy that, but performance should be performance. Okay, so tiger completed. Now last 2 names are there. So who will be winner? That team, both person will be winner. Okay. So next name, which I am going to dog. Oh my god. Okay. And who is second one in your team?
He is second one.
No, I just okay. Your team. Okay, your team won. But in your team who is remaining? You both. Okay. So first, okay, that you. Okay, you. Okay, give to. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Your sister give. Dear,
Sing an English song.
sing any English song. No. Come here. No. Sing a song. Sing a song. Okay. We don't know anything else. Task is task. Sisters' love is there. We can't say anything else.
Song.
Any song, you can sing any song.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night, and I
Clapping.
want to the God that do my wake up this and Friday night and won't be long till I hit the dance floor. I got all I need. I am not cash, but I do, baby. Baby, I don't, baby. Dollar beats can I
Very good.
dance
Excellent.
tonight. I love chick thrills, and baby, I don't this fall.
Okay, very good. Okay. Next, you can give.
Oh dear.
Yeah, absolutely right.
Mm, give your introduction with all the lies.
Yeah.
With all the lies.
I'm rider. I am a singer. I am a dancer. That's it.
Anything else you want? Okay. So this, I think you enjoyed very well this activity. Yes. Okay. That thing will help us to grow, to develop, to come together, to know to each other. Actually, in spoken English, we always face the problem that hesitation problem, lack of confidence problem. We need to grow ourselves. We need to enhance our communication skills. So it is very important part of our life. So, ladies and gentlemen, whenever we do any kind of activities, participate, do perform. Because the reason is that if you are not giving the performance, so means what is the benefit of that? So I hope that you all understood what we are going to do, and we have to do more. We have to help to each other to speak better. Like if my friend is speaking English, okay, that's okay. And when she and he finished, so we can make also understand that you made their mistakes, you can improve that. And don't mind if someone is suggesting you, so don't mind it because they are thinking about you, they are helping you, and everything, each and everything which can help me to improve, that it is very beneficial for my life. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.